Let's face it, this was here first. And these guys, and them. And we are lucky enough to be invited to this incredible party. But if we want to prosper, heck, even if we just want to eat, we will have to restore our balance. We will have to work towards 100% sustainable agriculture. And we believe we can by partnering with nature, not just with what we see, but also with its smallest players. Just look a little closer. Progress, innovation, collaboration, evolution, it's all right there. No matter how small, almost invisible sometimes, these little parts of nature can make an incredible impact. In fact, we know they will help us move towards 100% sustainable agriculture. And that's why we partner with nature.